Hey Spencer, here we have our gathering room, where every Friday have a social lesson. In the room we also can eat our food, be chilling, or just be there in the breaks. We also have a pool table where we all play against each other and having fun. Further over, we have our table tennis.
In KTC, we have all different kinds of lessons. For example, you can choose to have physics and chemistry on Tuesdays and Fridays or getting help to doing your homework. On Wednesdays, we all start off with 2 lessons of fit and exercise. Then afterwards, you can either choose to have fitness, home cooking, IT, or art and design. At last, if you don't have physics and chemistry, German, psychology, history, or social studies, or if you're not getting help doing your homework, you can choose to have swimming the first 2 lessons on Fridays, or hip hop the 2 last lessons on Fridays. Otherwise, we have Danish, math, English, like everybody else.
There's many good and nice teachers here in KTC. If you need help with something, then you can just ask one of the teachers and they'll be happy to help you. As if you need help with education, if you don't know what you want to be, then you can just ask the guidance council and then you can be sure of what you want to be.